So guys, show you beer. Pot look colorful, man, people. I don't believe a ball. Mackerel time. See? Ramen time, I know. So, market time. Shop lock, but when the shopkeeper so I'm going on the yard and call. You see me? Yeah, so stay tuned. Morning, Mama did there? Alright.
Gotcha.
Yeah, police shop are alright. I'm on Ramen. How much that?
Alright, man. Change. Oh boy. Future.
Alright, done. Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to this video. As on the ear a while ago, got the shop and we buy one mackerel, one ramen, and I'm sure one must have wonder what am I gonna do that now? What am I doing mackerel and ramen? Well, today in every basically I'm gonna mix the ramen and the ramen, so I put some dumpling and yam. I also rent a yam, the bush yam them, the wild yam them, yeah. I plant some, so I see the beer now, even when I want big none till next year, I do want a raccoon, basically. Like when I beer now, I see for them beer, so basically it's a double amount, right? So it grow bigger. So, yeah, so I see if the beer and we beer and I can dig out one or two piece, yeah. As I was saying, I mix the ramen and the ramen, whatever you call it, and the mackerel together. Basically that's a ghetto spaghetti. Yeah man. So that man do today. That man chef up. So stay tuned for the video guys. Like the video, leave a comment and tell me what you think about this. Share the video to everybody you know, because your mother, sister, brother, after your pastor, uncle, your pastor, grandfather, or your pastor, granny. Just share the video to them and zoom it, because I know say enough people don't know about the style here, and enough people would want to kind of cooking and kind of style here. You see me? So share the video guys, and when you share it, tell them say you have to subscribe, you see me? And if you're not subscribed, make sure say you subscribe to the channel and touch the bell. When you subscribe, you click the bell icon, you click it, you say all, personalized and none. Click all, and click all, every time I post, you know, I see the video, you see me? So stay tuned guys. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna dig the yam. That's the first thing I'm gonna do. So I'm bringing it on the journey, or I'm dig the yam. Also, follow my IG, because every time I film my video, I always post on snippet on my IG before the video actually post on YouTube. Just follow my IG, Jeff876, it's my personal IG, and Yasal Adventures. Yeah, so follow it and wanna keep updated on what I go on, you see me? Yeah, so stay tuned, I'm gonna dig the yam now, so soon come. Guys, look at the pepper tree here. It's a big, it reach me on my chest, and I was 2 times I get pepper after it. And long time plant, long time. So it just start blossom back there. I see the blossom them hold on. Maybe because the tree surround it, why not beer? Maybe not get proper sunlight. Anyway, so we don't yam them, I know. Yeah, this yam vine guys, this yellow yam, right? say leaf then look here. Yeah, but and then we are dig today. And then we are dig today. What they must have been like a dig, but me choose mine, so one vine here, or entire yam vine. Yeah, so I see what I go on the night now. Alright guys, hoping I have to carry clean now. So hoping I have to go on. Just 2 quick more guys, so let's see. Mother want to see me digging, so why not you alone? I'm not sure I see me. So next time guys. I'm on a video. I'm going to dig some a bush. So I'm going to do that shortly guys. Maybe before December ends or January, I'm not sure. But I'm going to dig some yam. Go a bush and dig yam. I'm bringing you on the journey. I'm on the bill. So hope you walk a sound now make when you can hear. So guys, I'm done dig this, I'm going to see what I go on. I'm checking back with the it. So guys, this is how we be here. Yeah, so we get to the other piece here. So I don't know, I go a piece more and plant back this. Come back, a bunch of dead people. Come in the batch man. So I'm gonna cut it right here. Yes, so this I'm gonna get. And just plant back this. Alright. Let's try find a next vine. So next vine here, huh? So, I dig these people and link on the back. People, in the beer not much. So I get. I just consume this. Isn't it? Yeah, so what I do because battery dead, can't battery dead, now go see if no more if no life on other battery may have. You see me? So hopefully the next battery have more life in it than this one. So if anything, I have to alternate. So people, if anything, if I alternate between the camera and the phone, you see me? Yeah. So I just go and use the phone record until the camera charge up, and then when the camera charge now I just use the camera. So I'm gonna catch it for you now guys, and put on the pot with the water and all that. So stay tuned. So guys, the thread I make up a little lighter for you, so same style, any pot here so and cook the dumpling and the yam. Me and banana but can't buy the yam and put me the banana about now. Man cooking mackerel over the fire there. Yeah. And sip it here. 2 good plate in the pot. Some of the yam I get. It's about pound of yam. Jelly. Drink that when I eat the mackerel and thing. Yeah. And yeah. Salt. I'm scale on my time and Maggie season there. Yes, everything I use. You understand? So let the fire now. Make the water go and boil and thing, and I need to get my fingernail and clean out back. One thing, so you dig yam, I'm gonna need dumpling, you have to make sure so your hand wash good, well clean. Your fingernail and well clean, cause dirt can go on the fingernail them. Camera need to focus good. Anyways, make sure say make sure say fingernail well clean when you have them thing there, you see me? So light the fire, put it on the fire, water on the fire to go and boil. So come people. Alright guys, so see pot here. I put it on now. At the 4 minutes on record now, so I can't even, you know. So I stop record for a bit. Alright guys, so I have to pause the recording for a bit, as I said before. Because the 4 minutes on record, camera on charge. I don't know how I'm gonna put the camera on charge, I swear. Yeah, so feel up here now. It's the finger in the mirror. Yeah. So yeah, so salt in the pot. Good. So I water done water boil up, dumpling the yam and the dumpling. Side so soon come back. People say water hot. You can see little steam come from the water, so and little bubbles in the water. Alright guys, so I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna throw in the dumpling and the yam and all that. Because I don't know yam and dumpling cook already, so I don't need to see the part there. What I know say you really want to see are the mackerel and ramen. And that one really want to see. You see me? So what I do, I just start record when time I do the ramen. You see me? And the mackerel. So next time you see me, I want time I throw in I do the ramen and mackerel. So yeah. So I throw in dumpling and everything in the pot now. I go and cook and then we start record back when I do the ramen. Yeah, so soon come back guys. Alright guys, so the camera battery gets on charge tonight. I think 5 minutes it depends on charge for. But the video must go on. So I feel yam timer now. It may be a good idea 3 people. It may be a good idea. But the yam fit. If you bottom, look upon the difference. This fit. This fit. The piece of fit more than this. Them yammer me like. The bush yammer nice with mackerel. One thing with them yammer do. You have to be careful. You don't eat them because them store heat. Burn you up wicked. Put them out and things are cool. Trouble. Them life are nice guys, you know. You just have a little garden at home. Plant and stuff them. If I even want 1 tomato tree or 2, want 1 sweet pepper or 2, 1 pepper tree, you know more than 1 pepper tree. What you can do, you know, what you guys can do. One want how much, figure out how much time in the greens, like hollow and stuff for a week, and then plant enough hollow can supply one. You see me? And how much tomato and sweet pepper when you use for the week and plant how much tree you can give her that, so at least you can cut down on my spending a week time, you see me? Yeah. If in a big space, if I even buy 2 flower spot, I cut two jug and plant tonight. Yeah, man. Have them for your veranda, like a flowers or whatever. Yeah, man. So don't peel them, guys. So I don't know. Wash off time for them. Yeah, as I was saying, you plant little food, man, cause everything gets expensive these days, you know. Things get expensive, you know. Can't buy everything, cause when I reach about it. See the guys, then you throw in, you know. So, fire starter for the fire, you know. Take out my stick, them out of this. Take out my fire. All the people got Mr. The rain and make up a face. You know? So when the fire doesn't get me taking back, guys. Alright, so cut up the seeds in them. See what kind of lean now, guys. First thing I wash up at them here. Nice too. Use about this. Open them with the rain so I can make a rain and make up a face. Some morning light, place bleaky. But it's pretty early now, guys. It's pretty early. About from 9 now, but normally sun would have come out by now. If you want to know, subscribe, you know. Please, I'm going to subscribe and share video, man. Help me grow, man. Help me grow. Cause I know, say, if I do a big YouTuber or big Instagrammer, I say, yo, Ray, wanna do it. So help me grow, man. Help me grow. Cause I like to do something everybody I do. I come here different, do something different. I try to make my own market, my own niche, and do my own thing. You see me, I do my own thing. So subscribe, man, and share things. Help me grow, man. Help me grow. I could have family live overseas and you can share the video, man. So share it, man. Let me grow, man, guys. Let me grow. Alright, so I'm gonna get the pattern now. I'm gonna put in the steam pot here and throw the water here. Alright, so ramen and mackerel time. So I'm soon checking mackerel, guys. So guys, battery dead. So I'll use the phone now, you see me? But look how fully, man, people. I don't belly a ball. Yes, the time of training mackerel now. And if I the camera I use now, I record and do everything one time now. Stop for a minute because and the camera I use I phone me and use. So guys, I'm gonna put the phone right here, so you can cut the phone. For the medical want to see everything, you see me? Yeah. Put in the beer, I see pot here. So guys, oh, smoke has killed me too. Mackerel time. Anybody know? So like water the mackerel thing, wash out it. You see me? And that. See? Ramen time now. So. Ramen a pot, guys. Throw a little water. Little ketchup. Cause ketchup of it, you know? Thickening it up, you see me? Yeah. Season time I know, Maggi season time. So, Maggi time. And also I put it in this night too. Bag and the fire. Give it yeah. So, I'm showing the pattern now, man. Switch the camera. Yeah, man. I'm making so I'm gonna pattern now. It's a back camera now. Alright, so this is it. Yeah, today I leave with food people. Bomba. I didn't think I was gonna cook out of the door, you know. I can't cook out food if I not look. At night, peeing while I can't switch on the pot. But I lean. Alright. Yeah. So people basically want to boil up now. Them thing every time you have a 6 money and one mackerel you have, I can find a ramen. You see me? You can stretch the food. Yeah. One to boil up now. And ramen them cook and things. So it's basically done people. Basically done. So this is all my favorite day. So basically when time oh it's gonna kill me. When time it's done, my chicken back, you know. Yeah. So it's a Ghetto spaghetti. And also that done. Easy me. So basically at this me wait pan right about now. So I cover it up now and then my chicken back when time it's done. So soon come back, guys. Alright, so this is it. This is my breakfast this morning, so my shell down now and I'm checking back with the people. Just long shell take down the food, guys, and they are going easy. Okay, I'm doing right in time because rain the fall, you see me? Nearly fall that Joe. Country before outside Blakey for morning. So you can stay if you're next with the people. Subscribe, share. When I share, remember, tell the people them say if you subscribe to the channel. Yeah, comment and tell me what you think about Ghetto spaghetti. You see me? Before when you have one mackerel, I can find ramen, I can stretch it one mackerel. You see me? I could have brown chicken I do. You can try ramen nice same way. Pork chicken you can try ramen nice same way. May I have more video? Forward man. Enough more unusual video, so subscribe and stay tuned. Follow me on JP76 and you start adventures. The link to the page them in the description. To the scroll down, click it and give me a follow up on them, you see me? Yeah, so catch you now in the next video, people. Look more.